Hi everyone, it's Rhoda, and today we are going to do a Tantra Kundalini session for the throat chakra, for expression and communication, and it's really about being aligned to that truth, right? The voice is a way of expressing our truth, and so when we liberate this chakra, we align to that truth, right? The power of the voice, the power of our fullest expression. So let's go ahead and dive right into the session. So the first thing you're going to do is rub your palms together. And what we're doing here is we're building some energy, we're building some warmth in the hands. And then we are going to go ahead and take the hands and place the palms against the throat, just relaxing here for a moment. And then nice deep inhale through the nose. Imagine that you're sending that inhale down into the belly area. And then when you exhale, also through the nose, feeling your entire throat melting and relaxing into your palms. And just continue that same breath on your own. Again, you're inhaling down into the belly. And then you're exhaling, relaxing the throat into the palms. Alright, you can go ahead and bring your hands down. Make sure that you are sitting up nice and straight. We're going to do some ocean breaths. So closing your eyes and breathing, inhaling into the back of your throat, almost like you're making a kind of sound. And then when you exhale, same thing. It's almost like you're exhaling from the back of the throat. I'm just continuing this ocean breath. And now, as you continue doing ocean breath, we're going to start moving the head from side to side, coordinating with the breath. So as you inhale, tilting your head to the left side, taking that nice deep inhale in, and then when you exhale, you're moving that head, tilting to the right side. Again, ocean breath. So just keep this going. Remember, you are inhaling and exhaling from the back of the throat to kind of make that sound. And you don't want to go too fast here. You just want to really take your time so that you can be present to each moment and each movement. And as we're doing this practice, just feeling that throat, that energy in the throat, opening up. And now we're going to move into another exercise. We're going to open the throat up toward the sky, lifting the face up toward the sky, and then coming back, bringing it back down, chin down. So as we open the throat up toward the sky, we are inhaling normally through the nose. And then when we come back down, we are exhaling as we bring that chin down. So we're not doing ocean breath here. This is just regular inhale and exhale. Again, it's all about really going inward and really cultivating that relationship with our inner space, allowing those energies in the body, those subtle energies, to really be felt, right? To allow ourselves to align to that energy. So really being conscious of the movement here and going slow is really key. All right, now we are going to dive into some neck rolls. So just rolling the neck around, making circles, picking a direction to go in, one direction. And for this one, it's the same kind of idea. So as you are rolling around the top and the face is directed upward, you're going to inhale. As your chin drops and you're rolling toward the front, that's the exhale. Okay? Again, you are being fully conscious and very intentional, right, about the movement, about marrying the breath and the movement, merging the two together, right, so that it becomes really an act of presence. It becomes a meditation, really. And you are devoted, right? You are so fiercely devoted to the moment you are sitting in right here. Now we're going to go into the other direction, so going in the opposite direction, and you are still maintaining that inhale as the head is rolling upward, the face is going upward toward the sky, and that exhale is along the bottom. All right, now we're going to be interlacing the fingers, making sure that the index finger is pointed upward. You can cross the thumbs and lift your head, lift your chin up toward the sky. And as you're in this position, you can do breath of fire. So for this, just make it very effortless as you're holding this pose, because this could be a little challenging. So breath of fire, just kind of breathing in, like bursts of inhales, okay? Focusing on breathing that inhale in, allowing that stomach to pump out. Breath of fire, just allowing also that exhale to take care of itself. Then we're going to come back down here and we're just going to start massaging the throat. So just massaging this area lightly, don't go too hard, but you're just massaging, bringing some nurturing energy into this space, allowing any stuck energies to be dislodged from this area. As you massage this space, like really, how often do we give ourselves the opportunity to do this, right? And then coming down to the heart area and starting to almost like you're imagining that you're shifting, like you're not shifting, but you're moving that energy. You're spreading that energy from the heart up to the throat. And then taking a moment here to sit in stillness and just feeling all of the energy in your body. Just tuning in to what is present inside of your body after doing these practices. And breathing here, deep inhales and exhales through the nose. And now focusing on the throat. And as you focus on the throat, feeling the energy of your expression and knowing that it is always safe to express yourself, to express who you are. All right, thank you so much for doing that session with me. I really love throat chakra work, and I already feel for me like that energy and that vibration, that tingling, that aliveness happening here. I hope you do too. And thank you again. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you next time.